For many living on Skid Row, life on the streets is a harsh reality. But one man chose to face his situation with creativity and determination. Homeless but resourceful, he decided that instead of sleeping outside, he would make the best of what he had. Using scattered cardboard boxes and glue, he constructed a small hut to call his own. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. From the outside, it might seem like just a pile of boxes, but inside is a carefully crafted space. It's more than just a shelter, it's a symbol of resilience and ingenuity. Despite the humble materials, the space has been transformed into a home with warmth and personality. The sleeping area is simple but functional. A basic mattress lies on the floor, surrounded by reinforced cardboard walls for insulation. The setup provides a surprising sense of comfort, showing that even the most basic materials can be made welcoming with effort and care. In the lounge area, a sofa has been constructed from cardboard boxes filled with sandbags to maintain its shape. Old cushions are placed on top, turning it into a sturdy and inviting spot to sit and relax. Despite the limitations of the materials, this space exudes a sense of normalcy and creativity. It's a striking example of how even discarded items can be used to create something functional, personal, and filled with character. This home proves that resilience and imagination can make any space a haven.